So to begin, we're going to come in with some pale grey blue. Now, this is essentially an off-white or a bright grey. And because we're airbrushing this, we can do it over a black primer. It doesn't have to be a light primer because you're going to do 2, 3, maybe 4 coats of this colour. And with the airbrush, it will still be nice and smooth. Once that is all dry, we're going to come in with some Trooper White by 2 thin coats. This is still actually an off-white. It's more of like an ivory rather than a pure white, but you can see the difference between that and the pale grey blue. The pale grey blue gives us a lot of nice shading, whereas this really helps to actually boost that white look. Now, one thing to note is that we aren't actually covering the whole head again. We are actually only really doing that main central ridge and then down the side just a little bit into that pale grey blue. And now finally, we're going to come in with some pure white. Now this is a lot more focus though. This is only really in that central area of the head, so that we're going to have a nice blended look from our pale grey blue into our Trooper White and then into pure white. So really, when painting white, what you want to do is start with your off-whites, so your bright greys, and then actually build up to your pure white as a final highlight tone. That way you're going to get a nice amount of shading, but still maintain that bright, pure white at the very end.